Welcome to the first part of creating a mailing with the email creator. To do this, click on the New button in the dashboard. Select the Create Mailing option. The EMM offers various methods for this purpose. Use the email creator to create mailings using the modular design principle via drag and drop. Select the appropriate template for your mailing in the Templates overview. Now, enter the basic settings for your mailing. You can adjust these later at any time. Start with the base information. These can only be seen in the EMM. Assign a meaningful name. The name is displayed later in the overview or in reports. You can enter information about the target group or content in the description field. The planned for date will appear in the calendar as long as the delivery is not yet scheduled. This supports you in your newsletter planning. The advertising slider is activated by default. It prevents personal response data from being tracked if a recipient has objected to tracking. Important: only change this setting if you have to prove the response data for legal reasons, for instance with double opt-in mail. Under Settings, select the mailing list to which your mailing should be sent. Here you can also change the mailing type. Enter your subject in the email section. Just leave the format setting as it is. If your contact details are not pre-filled by the template, please enter them here. Important: you can freely choose your sender data. However, if you use DKIM, make sure that the email domain matches your DKIM signature. Otherwise, this will be considered a spam signal. Confirm your entries with Save and Continue. You can further restrict your mailing list in the target groups area. If necessary, add one or more target groups. With Calculate, you can immediately see how many recipients would receive your mailing at the moment. If you do not want to further subdivide your recipients, leave the split mailing setting on No. Confirm your selection with Save. Next, create the content for your mailing. You're shown the blocks that are already contained in your selected template. You can now edit, add to, or delete them as required. We will show you how this works in Part 2.